Health and wellness is of paramount importance to a strong, vibrant and growing community like St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Visit the EU-funded Invest SVG Health and Wellness Expo being held at Grenadine House on Saturday, November 28th from 3 to 7 p.m. The expo will feature workshops and exhibitions on a range of topics, products and services available to you. For more information, contact Invest SVG on telephone 457-2159 or email info@investsvg.com. Healthy living for a strong, vibrant and growing community.
In the campaign to raise awareness of the health and wellness sector in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, we are taking a look at a number of available and underused resources right here on our shores. Physiotherapy is a service that is important and highly recommended for a number of ailments. It is well known for treating sports injuries or for regaining the use of your limbs after an accident or some form of corrective surgery. However, I am sure that many of us are unaware of the range of conditions also treatable with physiotherapy. For example, respiratory conditions.
Physiotherapy is a rehabilitation science. It is also known as an allied health profession, where we work with other members of the healthcare team, physicians, nurses, etc. Our main focus, however, is rehabilitation from injury or illness, and the types of injuries and illnesses are very broad. Physiotherapy can be sort of grouped into four main areas. We treat four main types of conditions or groups of conditions. You have your orthopedic conditions, which are any injury or illness of the musculoskeletal system. That includes bone, muscle, ligament, tendons, peripheral nerves. Okay? We treat neurologic conditions. That is any condition affecting the nervous system, brain, spinal cord. Okay, some examples of those can be stroke, Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injury, just to name three. Other areas include the cardiopulmonary system, where we treat conditions such as asthma, pneumonia, other things like cystic fibrosis, anything that really can affect your respiratory system. And we do some amount of cardiac rehab for persons with cardiac conditions, chronic heart conditions. Other than that, there are a few other things that we treat to the integumentary system or the skin. We treat burns. Some physiotherapists can specialize in wound care, things like decubitus ulcers, which are more commonly known as bed sores, and other types of wounds to the skin. We also treat persons who have amputations. That means they've lost a limb. Most of the time it would be a leg. We rehab them to the point where they can wear a prosthesis, an artificial limb, and get them walking, those sorts of things. Help to manage their wound, help to manage the swelling and any pain that they have. So those are the four main areas that we treat. Okay, this is our warm compress, which we can apply to a person who is having low back pain. It is heated. There's a hot pack inside. This is kept in a stainless steel heater in hot water. We wrap it in a couple layers of towel, and we apply this for 15 to 20 minutes over the area that's painful. This is the ultrasound therapy, and you can apply it over the painful area as well for about 6 minutes, depending on how bad the pain is and so on. And you change the dosage depending on how much heating effect you want to get, because it's a method of applying deep heat. Pulling on the waist belt to distract the spine in this position, it is good for the small joints of the lumbar spine. If you have it lying on your tummy, it distracts more the body of the vertebrae, which reduces the pressure on the disc and can help to reduce the disc prolapse or a slip disc, and it reduces the pressure on the nerve. So it can reduce all the pain in the back and sometimes the pain that can be referred down the limbs when you have a slip disc.
If you or a loved one has a condition for which treatment may be required, consult your doctor or a physiotherapist today.
The health and wellness revolution in St. Vincent and the Grenadines begins with the Health and Wellness Expo, Healthy Living for a Strong, Vibrant and Growing Community. This takes place on Saturday, November 28th at the Grenadine House from 3 to 7 p.m. during Vinci Homecoming 2009. To find out more, contact Invest SVG at telephone 457-2159 or email us at info@investsvg.com. I hope to see you there.